What if you could replace all this hard work, say goodbye to all of those, and replace all of these with a versatile and convenient one-pot, one-stop cooking solution? Introducing the CleverChef Pro from Drew & Cole, the amazing new 6-in-1 Pressure Cooker Plus. It's like having a mini kitchen all in one. It's fast. It cooks up to 90% faster than conventional cooking appliances. It's easy. Simply add your ingredients, then turn the dial and choose from 6 different cooking styles. It's delicious. You get incredible, flavorful, perfectly cooked dishes every time. The secret is CleverChef Pro's smart Pro Precision technology, which automatically sets the perfect cooking time and the precise right temperature for all your favorite meals. Plus, its easy seal lid and special flavor lock cooking process locks in all the natural flavors, seasonings and juices, so you get perfectly cooked dishes every time and faster on your table too. These delicious fall-off-the-bone ribs could take an hour and 30 minutes in a conventional oven. With CleverChef Pro, you'll cook them in just 26 minutes. Your whole family will love this classic layered homemade lasagna cooked in just 13 minutes. This mouth-watering healthy Chinese sea bass, just 2 minutes cooking time in the CleverChef Pro. From start to dinner, CleverChef Pro takes the hard work and guesswork out of everyday cooking. You just set it and walk away for perfect cooking results every day. It's the new 6-in-1 Pressure Cooker Plus that makes great food fast.